Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another makeup video. I know what you're thinking, but trust me, this is not a clickbait video. I promised you a nude makeup tutorial and that's what you're going to get. मेरे पास पूरी बैक स्टोरी है to explain why I'm glammed up like a disco ball for a nude makeup tutorial. But before that, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Shivani and I make beauty videos here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe for a lot more fun beauty content, and with that, let's get back into the story. एक्चुअली द न्यूड मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल वो सपोज टू बी द सेकंड वीडियो ऑन माय चैनल और मैंने वो शूट भी कर ली थी, पूरा इंट्रो एंड आउट्रो उसके हिसाब से बोल दिया था. बट वो शूट करने के नेक्स्ट डे मुझे एक आइडिया आया कि मुझे एक ट्रेडिशनल मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल बनाना चाहिए क्योंकि लोहड़ी आ रही है एंड एक्चुअली आज है लोहड़ी. माई फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट वॉज टू डिच द आइडिया क्योंकि एक दिन में पॉसिबल नहीं था फिल्मिंग, एडिटिंग एंड अपलोड करने से पहले की फॉर्मेलिटीज़ करना. प्लस मैं अपने न्यूड मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल में इंट्रो और आउट्रो सेकेंड वीडियो के हिसाब से बोल चुकी हूँ, तो मुझे वो पूरी वीडियो डिच करनी पड़ेगी फिर. बट आई ऑल्सो डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू वेस्ट द festive content opportunity. I was in a dilemma and I talked to my best friend and then she suggested me that instead of ditching the whole idea or the whole video, I should just ditch the intro and outro of that video and film it again. And I was like, why did not I think of this before? This makes perfect sense. So that's why I'm glammed up for a nude makeup tutorial. And from the next clip onwards, I'll be talking about the tutorial you're here for. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve this nude makeup look. It's very different from what I did in my last video. This makeup is for everyone. Even if you enjoy doing bold makeup, there are times when you have to go basic. So in those times, this makeup comes handy. You will definitely love this kind of makeup if you do not like heavy makeup, but you do want to look better than how you look without makeup. Before I begin the tutorial, I would like to explain the difference between a nude makeup look and a natural makeup look because a lot of people confuse the two, but they are very different. क्योंकि नेचुरल मेकअप में ज़्यादा स्टेप्स नहीं होते एंड न्यूड मेकअप इज़ अ कंप्लीट मेकअप लुक. इसमें सारे स्टेप्स होते हैं. इट्स दैट द कलर दैट यू चूज़ इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू योर स्किन टोन. दैट्स वाई इट लुक्स वेरी बेसिक, बट स्टेप्स सारे वही होते हैं जो एक बोल्ड आई मेकअप में होते हैं. हाउएवर इन अ नेचुरल मेकअप यू वांट टू शो योर स्किन एज इट इज़ बट बेटर. I hope I'm able to make sense. Nude makeup may you simplify the kind of colors that you use and you stick to neutrals, browns, rose color, beige, peach, those kind of colors are used in a nude makeup. However, in a natural makeup look, there is a pinkish reddish tint as well. So that's the difference. I just wanted to put it out there before starting the tutorial because people do tend to confuse the two. And then I don't want people to come at me saying nude makeup mein itne steps nahi hote. There are a lot of steps. So finally, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off by using a moisturizer and this time I'm using the one from Simple. This is my cult favorite moisturizer. It's so lightweight, perfect for my skin type. And now I'm using Lakmé Lumi cream just on the high points of my face to add a little bit of glow from within. पूरे फेस पर नहीं लगाऊंगी बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग फॉर अ होल ड्यूई बेस, बट सिर्फ उन्हीं जगह पर जहाँ जहाँ मैं हाईलाइट करती हूँ सो दैट द हाईलाइट गेटिफाइड. नाउ मॉइस्चराइजिंग माई लिप्स एज यूजुअल विद माई Nivea स्ट्रॉबेरी शाइन लिप बाम. एंड फाइनली बिगिनिंग विद द मेकअप आई एम यूजिंग द प्राइमर बाय Maybelline Fit Me. नो मैटर वॉट काइंड ऑफ मेकअप यू आर गोइंग फॉर, आप हैवी मेकअप कर रहे हो, लाइट मेकअप कर रहे हो, प्लीज़ डू नॉट एवर स्किप ऑन प्राइमर. इट एक्ट्स एज अ प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर फॉर योर स्किन. And now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230 medium beige. I mentioned in my first video that I'm going to run out of this foundation and my best friend very sweetly gifted this to me, so thanks to her. Now I'll just take a damn beauty blender and take my sweet little time to blend the foundation on my entire face. Also don't forget your neck and your ears. And now it's time for concealer and I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium tawny. This is very close to my skin tone and it has an orange undertone, so it helps to cancel out darkness. And I'm just using it on my under eyes and around my mouth and on the areas where I have some acne marks. Now I'm again using the Damn Beauty blender and blending it all in. At this point I felt like I needed a little bit more coverage, so I went in with the concealer once again. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me Compact, I'm going to quickly set my under eyes and my entire face. सबसे पहले अंडर आइज को सेट करना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा क्रीजिंग वही होती है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द शुगर फेस पैलेट इन द शेड Subtle Summit. It has all three cheek products Now I'm just adding back some color to my face using a bronzer and the nude blush that comes in this palette. Taking this champagne shade highlighter from this palette and applying it on the high points of my face. With the nude makeup, a champagne highlight looks great. And I'm applying it on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my inner corner, on my brow bone. Time to start the eye makeup, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium to prep my eyes. Make sure that the concealer that you're using to prep your eyes is lighter than your skin tone so that the color pops out very well. After blending it, make sure to set it. Now I'm taking the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette again. This is such a beautiful palette that can create versatile looks. In my last video I created a glam look using it, and now I'm creating a nude look using it. And here I am using the dark brown eyeshadow to fill in the gaps in my eyebrows and brushing it with a spoolie to blend it all in. Now I'm mixing the dark brown and the medium brown color and applying it on my crease and outer corner. Keep blending back and forth to intensify the color and to deepen your crease and your outer corner. Now I'm taking a light brown shade and applying it on my entire lid, and then blending it and merging it with the color that I applied on my crease. And just continue blending it till you get a perfect finish. The key to a good eye makeup is always blending. Now I'm taking a flat shader brush that looks like this, and I'll pick up the shimmer. Just make sure to not pick up very heavily because we have to place it very lightly on the lids. हमको glam look की तरह एक proper pop of shimmer नहीं देना, बस हल्का हल्का लगाना है to give it a sheen. Once I'm done with that, I'm taking a blending brush again and going all over my lid to make sure that there are no harsh lines and the sheen is perfectly blended with the matte. Now I'm picking up the dark brown color once again, and this time I'm using it with an angled brush and stamping it on my lash line to form a liner kind of thing. I'm not making a stark liner, but a smudged brown line would look very pretty on a nude eye makeup. And I'm just taking a small brush and blending it so that it doesn't look stark, and I'm doing the same on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shimmer shade again and applying it where on the brow bone and on the inner corner. And now I'm curling my eyelashes, and the trick here is to hold your lashes for a couple of seconds and then just count to 10 and start pressing it 10 times at least. My lashes are ज़िद्दी straight, तो मुझे इतना करना पड़ता है कर्ल देने के लिए, वरना मस्कारा नहीं लगता ढंग से. And now I'm taking the Faces Canada Magnetized Mascaras, and इसका wand is such a thick wand and it's perfect for a makeup look like this. It won't give you dramatic lashes, but it would give you those fluttery light lashes that you need. Trust me when I say this, मुझे 2 साल हो गए मेकअप करते करते, बट ये डिज़ास्टर मेरे साथ ऑलमोस्ट हर बार होता है, this mascara crisis. But I do have a hack for it as well. Just wait for it to dry and then use a Q-tip to remove it, and पता भी नहीं लगेगा कि वो था. And now I'm applying a nude lipstick from the Maybelline Creamy Matte range. The shade name was Nuance, and here we are done with the Nude Makeup Look. This is the final result. Okay, so that was it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. अगर अच्छी लगी तो please like, share, comment, subscribe. Now I'm thinking to kind of diversify my content, like step-by-step tutorial से हटके कुछ. So any kind of suggestions are welcome in the comments. And if you like what you're seeing on my face right now, तो वो भी बता दो, मैं उसको भी tutorial बना दूँगी. फिलहाल तो नहीं बनाया हुआ. I did this in a session with Air Black, and उस session के बाद I'm shooting this intro and outro. If you want, I can make tutorial for this look as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
I'm thinking to diversify so comes in hand. Hope I'm able to make sense. Okay, so that was it for today's video. Very good.